Welcome to Kachu Travels. In this series, I hop off with my friend Suraj over a vacation to coastal Karnataka, more precisely Dakshina Kannada, the land of the Krishna temple, also known for its bewitching Konkan coastline, where we explore Udupi, marvel over Maravante's rocks, do a little hike in Baindur to reach a pristine beach, and then drive around the beautiful surroundings of Kundapura town. We also take a little break to meet a friend Srinidhi, who is based in this beautiful coastal Udupi district at his home in Kota. And if you thought it ends right here, no, you're mistaken. I also take you to a beautiful little landmass that is between a river and the Arabian Sea, where I learned the martial art form of capoeira, kayaking, and also some surfing. Well, not just that, I also meet some interesting people, listen to their experiences, and camp by the beautiful Swarna River. Join me in this beautiful 7-part series where we explore the Konkan coastline of Dakshina Kannada, one beach at a time, over a power-packed long weekend which also has 2 days of vacation by the sea. Come join and travel with us. So we're at the last destination of the day, sunset time, and we are in Kundapura's Delta Point. Very nice walkway that goes across. It's a beautiful place to come on your morning walks or evening walks. Right now it's sunset time. It's never a bad time to walk, is it? So it's I think a 1 kilometer stretch, maybe 1 kilometer stretch that a lot of people are walking. Looks like this is reclaimed land on which the place where the river meets the sea, and a lot of public amenities inside a jungle of sorts. So yeah, looking forward to this walk.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter weak or strong. Take your time and